This is called Come On Baby, Let's Go Downtown.
Come on, baby, let's go downtown. Let's go.
Today's announcements are brought to you by Boris from Mother Russia. Boris says that today there may be a few tickets left for the International Food Festival, and they will be sold at the Leopard's Den. There will be at most 2 tickets available per person. Teachers, you can enter the International Food Festival for free, but only if you have your DAA staff ID. Your spouses, children, groupies, hangers-on, henchmen, and livestock need a ticket.
Henchman was good.
Henchman was good. Okay.
All right. The DAPA IFF committee requests the expressions of interest from various clubs and charities ran by students to manage beverage booths. Still on first-come, first-served basis, 3 clubs will be chosen to manage the booths, and they will get the proceeds. Please email the address on your screen if you're interested. Take care of this soon, people.
Okay, Dress Down Day. I know all you knuckleheads there are interested in Dress Down Day. IFF is coming up on the 8th of March, where all the countries represented in our school will be displaying different aspects about those individual cultures. To go along with the food festival, a Dress Down Day has been set up on March 6th. Hoot, hoot. Please come to school in your national dress or representation of your national dress. And we encourage everybody to do this and proudly represent your country or the country you've chosen to represent. Please keep in mind the school regulations on Dress Down Days do apply, so don't wear anything inappropriate. If you choose not to show up in full traditional dress, you must be wearing your school uniform, okay? No short skirts, all that normal stuff, all right? You will have to pay 10 dirhams to your homeroom teacher, and the proceeds will go to UNICEF. If you don't pay, obviously you have to be in uniform.
Charity Challenge money will be distributed to the charities on March 7th at break in Sprad's room. All presidents should be present with treasurers in order to get your cash.
There will be class meetings this Wednesday during morning break for grades 9, 10, and 11. This is about course selection, so make sure the counselors are there, make sure you're there, and don't mess that one up.
And a quick message from Mr. Schaffner. Students, the teachers are not here to print things for you.
This includes your internal assessments.
Set up your computer to print in the atrium, and if that proves too difficult, either due to your ineptitude or your laziness, please get help. Teachers are not your printers. Don't screw this up.
Juniors and seniors, prom tickets will go on sale next Sunday, March 10th, and will be sold every Sunday and Thursday during both lunches in front of the furry wall until the end of the month. Don't worry though, we will continue to sell tickets after spring break until the end of April. Only upperclassmen are allowed to purchase tickets. Those tickets are 350 dirhams for a single, but if you're a couple, you can get yours for 600 dirhams.
And now, Ray Weens.
What am I supposed to read?
Just this.
Oh, school dress for teams on game day? It's only jeans when they are traveling. The day of a match or the Thursday? If the match is on the weekend, particularly ECC, they should be wearing the travel shirt with normal school bottoms.
You heard it here first, people. It's possible that Mr. Weens will rearrange your anatomy in gross and painful ways if you mess this one up. And here's a special video from Mr. Gosen.
Do you have a talent that you're really proud of? Are you a musician or an artist? Maybe a photographer? Well, you have a chance to share your talent or art at the Maker Day Fair. That's a big fair coming up March 23rd. You can perform or teach your skill or talent at the event. See me, Mr. Gosen, in room 103. If you're interested, the deadline is coming up real quick. It's on March 6th. Swing by my room if you have any questions.
I believe that's all we have for today. I'm Mr. Sprads.
And I'm Mr. Carey.
And we will see you soon.
See ya.
Come on, baby, let's go downtown. Let's go, let's go, let's go downtown. Come on, baby, let's go.